Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset on your speaker JBL Charge 6. Firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that you need to press one time the middle button at the top, the power button, to turn off your speaker. Now your speaker is disconnected from your phone, and then we need to press the power button again to turn on it. We did it, so now the speaker should reconnect to your phone, and we have the information right here that is connected. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!